Hi everyone! Today, as I'm sure you can read in the title, I have just succumbed to my addiction of Kylie Cosmetics. So today I'll be doing another unboxing and try on of Kylie Cosmetics lip glosses. I ordered 3 lip glosses. I don't remember the names, but I'll tell you in just a second. Look how cute this box is. I know last time I said the same thing, but I love it. It's so cute. So cute. All 3 of these lip glosses are new to me, meaning I've never had these shades. So the first one that I have is Glitz. It seemed kind of golden, if I remember correctly, on the website. And I've never had a gold lip gloss, but it is my favorite color, in case you did not know that. Hopefully this looks really cute. Here it is. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is the lip gloss of my dreams. Oh my goodness gracious. Gold and glittery together. I have gone to heaven. This is exactly my favorite. I love gold and glitter, and both of them together, I'm just, okay. I'm trying to contain myself right now, but I'm just really excited. I need to take a moment. It's just so cute. Oh wow. Surprisingly, this doesn't smell like cupcakes, because usually Kylie Cosmetics products smell like cupcakes, to me at least, like icing maybe, and this doesn't. So I'm gonna put that as the only con so far for this, because I am in love. But I need to take off the lip gloss that I'm wearing right now, which I think is something very similar to Dang Gina. I have my trusty micellar water, which I'm probably gonna use up today. Oh, it's so sparkly. It's always so sad taking off a lip gloss that you really like. That's very close. This is just so good. Oh my gosh, this color. Wow. Okay, this lip gloss was made for me. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. This is the lip gloss on, and just looking at myself in the viewfinder, oh my gosh. It definitely doesn't look like your typical everyday look, I guess, but wow, it shines. It just draws your eye right there, and I am here for that. I am here for it. Thor. Okay, so now I'm gonna compare it to the bottle like I usually do. This is just with 1 coat, and from what I can see, it seems a little bit more of a rose gold on. And Thor. Okay, my cats are just. Thor, what are you doing? No, that's going to fall. Thor, you are going to fall. Oh my gosh. Thor. Okay. Continue. And it does seem like a bit more of a yellow gold in the bottle. Let me know what you think. Thor, let me know what you think, but oh my gosh, I am in love. Wow. As I said, this definitely isn't an everyday thing, but honestly, it's my favorite color. And wow, that's special. Wow. Okay, moving on. Next one. It's so pretty. Should I do a second coat? You know, I've done 2 coats in my other video, so I guess I should continue doing that. Just to see. I want to see how opaque it can get. Oh my gosh. I just love this. It still looks pinker on. I guess that's just my natural lip color underneath. I definitely really like it. It's so pretty. I guess I should take it off now. So sad. Wow, this is very sticky. That's so pretty. I have cotton like all over my mouth now. I don't know why these things just fall apart. Oh well. Ew. I can taste the lip gloss. It's not really that good. Lip gloss number 2 is from the Cocoa Collection, Sugar Plum. I don't remember what this one looks like. And again, I love this packaging. Just look at these colors. Pink and gold are my favorite colors, and both of them together Ooh, see, I'm like surprising myself. I don't remember what this looked like. Oh wow. In the bottle, it seems like a kind of nude pink with shimmers. That is really pretty. The shimmers seem kind of like a blend of silver and gold. It looks very pretty in the bottle. Let's try on Sugar Plum. It looks very pretty, and it definitely seems more casual and everyday. So it smells like crayons. Man, why didn't they put that regular cupcake frosting smell? Man, let's see what this looks like on. One thing that I noticed is that this brush is pretty stiff. The bristles don't really bend that well, which, I don't know, it's kind of weird in my opinion. And now that I have this on, compared to the several other lip glosses that I've tried, it's kind of watery. I don't know if it's going to end up drying or if it's going to stay this watery, but right now it feels like if I were to just put my lips on something, it would totally transfer and like come off. So let me try. It seems like it totally comes off a lot. Oh no, my hand's all sparkly. I don't know if you can see, but I have sparkles all over now. So pretty. Let's try a second coat and see if that does anything. It's still gonna come off, but maybe it'll look different. Compared to the bottle, just from what I can see here, it seems like on my lips it's a little bit more orangey, and in the bottle it's more pink. It's definitely more of an everyday shade. It's totally more wearable, casual, everyday. Just beware, it totally comes off of your lips, as you can see. And the color is really pretty. I just don't know if it goes well with maybe my skin tone. It's so pretty though. Last but definitely not least is the high gloss that I got this time. I got Lost Angel. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. I almost inhaled some cotton. That was on my lips. That was really gross. It's a light pink with lots of shimmers in it, which I love. Oh, that's so pretty. Those shimmers, I love them. It's so pretty. By the way, I already used up my last high gloss. What shade was that in? Slept On. And it doesn't last as long as other products just because I guess the container is smaller. But to me, it's worth it because it's just so pretty and it's just like, it's like magic. So I'll probably just keep buying them. Oh, there we go. Finally, one that smells good. Okay, what does this one smell like? Maybe like watermelon? I don't remember what the other one smelled like. The other high gloss, I mean. Oh, it smells so good. This is definitely way thicker than Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum is so watery and slippery. Compared to this is very thick and sticky, and honestly I like it. Like, you would think that lighter things would feel better, but I don't know, the other one was just so watery that it felt like it was just gonna get everywhere on food, like anything. And so this I feel like is more secure in place. It's gonna stay there at least a little bit longer. This is what it looks like with one coat. And I'll put it next to the bottle. Ow. In my opinion, it's a little bit darker on, but that could just be my lip color. I don't know. It's very cute. I really like it. I think it's really cute. Round 2. It smells so good. And compared to the bottle, it's still a little bit darker, but I think that's normal and it looks fine. I really, really like this. Okay, let me just get all 3 of them. Here are the 3. Okay, so my camera just died, so I'm gonna finish this video on my phone. I was going to compare the 3 shades that I have, and here they are. On this side, that's Glitz, then Sugar Plum, then Lost Angel, right? Yes. Out of these 3, I think that my favorite is Lost Angel. I just really love these high glosses, honestly. I don't know. The regular glosses just seem so not as awesome anymore. And out of these two, oh gosh, I think I would choose the golden one. This one, Sugar Plum, the consistency wasn't really my favorite at all. It was very watery. I don't know if I just got a defective one or if they're all like that, but I would definitely say it's my least favorite out of these three. And this one I just adore, even though I would probably really look kind of crazy wearing this out on a regular basis. I think I might, just because, I mean, look at that color. So amazing. Thank you for joining me and watching me unbox and try on these new lip glosses. I'm probably going to do more in the future just because I love lip gloss and I love Kylie Cosmetics, and it's definitely not going to end here for me. So if you would be interested in seeing more of those videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know, and leave a comment if you'd like to, suggesting any other video ideas that you might have. And if there are any Kylie Cosmetic products that you would maybe like to see me try out or unbox or anything like that. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye!